What happens when a global superpower declares war on a tiny bird and accidentally kills 30 million of its own people? This is the deadliest ecological faceplant in human history. In 1958, Chairman Mao Zedong looked at a sparrow and decided it was an enemy of the state. He calculated that one sparrow ate 4 pounds of grain a year. His logic was simple. Kill the birds, save the grain, feed the people. He launched the Four Pests Campaign. The entire population of China mobilized to assassinate birds. Citizens banged pots and pans in the streets for days so sparrows could never land to rest. The birds literally fell out of the sky, dead from sheer exhaustion. People smashed nests. They crushed eggs. Schools gave awards to children for bringing in massive piles of dead birds. They wiped out nearly 2 billion sparrows in a matter of months. It was a total victory, except for one massive biological oversight. Sparrows do eat a little bit of grain, but their main diet is insects, specifically locusts. By deleting the apex predator of the insect world, the government accidentally unleashed a biblical plague. The next year, massive swarms of locusts darkened the sky. With no birds left to stop them, the insects ate absolutely everything. Every crop, every field, every leaf. The national grain harvest completely collapsed. This triggered the Great Chinese Famine. Historians estimate between 15 and 50 million people starved to death. All because a supreme leader did not understand basic middle school food chains. Eventually, the government quietly imported replacement sparrows from the Soviet Union to fix the ecosystem. They fought a bird. The bugs won. Faceplant.